Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change the phone number linked to your Binance account. First open the Binance app and go to the profile icon in the top left corner. Then click your profile name and select security from the menu. Under the verification center, scroll down and click the drop down arrow below password. You will see the phone number option there. To update your number, you will need to remove the existing one first. Click the delete icon next to your current phone number and then select continue to confirm. Once the old number is removed, add phone number, enter your new number and get code to receive a verification code. Enter the code when it arrives and click submit. Your new phone number will now be verified and linked to your Binance account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.